Benefits of drinking aloe vera juice every day. Aloe vera juice should ideally be consumed on an empty stomach. 20 milliliters should be mixed with a glass of water. You can even try mixing equal quantities of aloe vera juice with tulsi, holy basil, amla, Indian gooseberry, and giloy, heart-leaved moonseed, juice. 40-60 ml of Kerala, bitter gourd, juice can be mixed with 20 milliliters of aloe vera juice along with a glass of water. Kerala juice is excellent for diabetes and cholesterol. Combining it with aloe vera juice doubles the power of the individual potions. The juice acts a laxative, and is therefore not recommended for pregnant women and those with sensitive motion. Consult your medical expert before making it a part of your diet. The aloe vera plant is amazing, having many healing properties to it. The leaves of the plant are where you will find the yellow-colored liquid that can work wonders. You may already know that aloe vera gel can be very beneficial to the skin, helping with sunburn, insect bites, rashes, cuts, and the like. The reason is because aloe vera is an antifungal as well as an antibacterial. It also helps with the regeneration of cells. So the application of aloe vera gel to the skin can greatly benefit common skin ailments and help in the healing process. Health benefits of aloe vera juice: aids in the elimination of constipation, aids in digestion and helps with stomach aches and heartburn, helps to regulate blood sugars, detoxifies the body and colon, helps with weight loss by increasing metabolic rate to burn more calories, improves circulation, aids in healing damage to internal tissues, regulates blood pressure, strengthens immune system.